Loving the Ahl-il Bayt, along with what? By showing reverence and respect to all the companions, by honoring them, and by adhering to proper manners. What does it mean to love the Ahl-il Bayt especially? It means being Ahl al-Sunnah, that is being fully Ahl al-Sunnah. That is all it is. What is the basis, the foundation of being Ahl al-Sunnah? It is based on the love of all those who received the title of companion by being in the company of Rasulullah. Peace and blessings be upon him. May peace and blessings be upon Rasulullah, his Ahl-il Bayt, and all his companions. A wise, just, and conscientious person would not choose what? To harbor hatred towards the companions and to despise them. What would they not prefer? They would never choose hatred over love for them, because all of Islam has come to us through them. The verses that have been conveyed, the Quran itself, were compiled through their narrations and testimonies. All hadiths, hundreds of thousands, even millions of hadiths and narrations have come to us from them. At this moment, in all matters concerning what is halal and haram, in all religious issues, the narrations that have come from them hold great significance. There were 10,000 companions who were supporters of Hazrat Muawiyah, may Allah be pleased with him. You take the hadiths that have come from them, the hadiths narrated by Amr ibn al-As, the hadiths narrated by Muawiyah, may Allah be pleased with him. Even the brother of Hazrat Ali was on his side, Aqil ibn Abi Talib. Hazrat Aqil was a great companion, the cousin of our Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him. From our mother Aisha to Talha, Zubair, and many others, they were among the 10 who were promised paradise. If you greet all of them with hatred, what about all the narrations and rulings that have come from them? How can you say, I do not love or accept them? For you to walk on the path of Islam, to enter paradise, to follow the path of Sharia, the Quran and the Sunnah, these were the ones who transmitted it. That is why rejecting them is like cutting the very branch you are sitting on.